Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Junkyard Dog here with another video. And well, today I wasn't gonna come to the junkyard, but my door handle for the driver's side broke off, and that's kind of like a need for me. I can't be without my door handle. I can't struggle to get in my car. So I was looking up what locations to come and see where the best RSX option was at, and there was one in Staten, Staton, Staten. And basically that one, I thought it was a black one, it was a blue one. So I came down to Wilmington because there was two of them down here, and one of them was a black one. But this one's been sitting here for a while, and this is the one I came and got the T-bar off of. So I came to get the door handle, and as you can see, it's broken as mine's. The same how it looks is how mine's is now. So what I did was I didn't record it until after I already took it off, because obviously I'm gonna struggle with one hand on the camera and then one hand on doing the job, which wasn't gonna happen. But that black one was here about 3 weeks ago, and that's how long usually the cars stay at the lot for, is 3 weeks, a month maybe. But right now I'm just gonna see if I can find that white one. It's gonna be over here somewhere. These two rows right here are nothing but new rows. They just came in, and I swear I thought this was a 06 SI, but it's a Genesis. And the reason why is because it had wheels. It had like some white wheels, and I thought they were Type R from the RSX, but they were not. I swear I got fooled for a second. I really thought this Genesis was the 06 Civic with Type R wheels, but it's an automatic. Honestly, it doesn't look too shabby in this Genesis, yo. I've never even sat in the Genesis. Let's get in the driver's side. What is this? 2012 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Whoa. That's steady, girl. I'm not the one that did it to you. It's a little dark in here. Oh, nice little sunroof. There's stuff in here, but the interior and all this, like the seats, they look like so brand new, yo. Someone's gonna come up. The interior looks great. Here's the white one. I'm kind of debating whether I should take the mud flats, but I'm not gonna. I don't want to waste time on that. But look, I mean, don't judge me, but I just had to get it out. I had to get the handle out, which I did. Yeah, this one just came in yesterday. Type S wheels, but it's funny how it's not even the Type S motor. That shit's all sunk in. You can't even reuse this case. Tucked in there real good. Look at that. That's awful, yo. You see what this is what I'm talking about? Like, you usually can't find no hoods, no fenders, or nothing for this, because that's where they get crashed at, is in the front. And today's gonna be crowded, yo. Major crowded. 40% sale going on today, tomorrow, and Monday. Look at this. That's what I'm talking about. Get there. Damn, look how bad they come. Damn. That's crazy. Well, basically, this is the section from like the models are like 2000 and up. So let's go to the section where all the old school 90s are at. Damn, peeps, I came to the center there's like 2 rows, right? You come in through over there, and this is one whole section, but they usually have this door open so you can get in and out. But it's just so, since there's so many people, I guess the employees can't keep track of us. So, because you have to pay an additional $2 to get in this side, where all the newer model cars are at. The older models are on that side. But yeah, they blocked up the door, so now I gotta walk all the way over there and go all the way around. I'll be back once I'm on that side. Like, no joke, people. This is like how serious the shit. Ooh, a classic. It's good to see a young kid working on the classic, yo. Nice. Keep it up. Keep it up. But look, this is the line to pay out, yo. This is crazy. Just to pay out, just to get out, you have to go through a line. That's bizarre. But yeah, there's like nothing but like newer model vehicles in these rows, and there's only 2 RSX, and I already looked at them. I kind of want to go look at the Integras and those Civics. Crazy ass line. See, I had to walk all the way back to the front to be able to go through here. This is crazy. But hey, people are saving money. Yo, get that. Just don't get what I'm getting. That's all I'm saying. Alright, you guys, I finally made it to the old school section, the older models. I found me an RXX. Haven't really looked around. I'm looking at the same time you guys are. It still has a few things. Obviously the motor's gone. Transmission obviously it's gone. You still got the headlights, the bumper, fenders, doors. Just the engine's gone. All these little motorcycles and stuff. Honestly, you guys, like I was saying, I wasn't expecting to come here today. Cool little Nissan NX. It's just like I was saying. Oh, I seen a Civic. You know, it's a wrap once I see a Honda. Has a spoiler somebody could probably use. What the fuck? It's not even connected. It still has some interiors. I'm not gonna look underneath the motor. Yeah, like I was saying a second ago, this is a nice J. Oh, I'm just dashing through here because, like I said, I wasn't expecting to come here. Ooh, my boy Young Static. I know you see this, bro. Yeah, my boy, you gotta come out here and fuck with us, dude. I know you need these fenders, yo. I don't know what else you would want in here. It's not bad. It has a little crease in here, but look, people ain't gonna hate on this out here. Oh, look at this fender, yo. Come on. Oh, no, never mind. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. All right, let's keep going. Whenever I see like a Civic or something that catches my attention, something you know I would fuck with, we'll go look at it. But basically, I'm just roaming around the yard just to give you guys a video, yo. Just because I know you guys been wanting a Junkyard video. I like coming to this location because it's pretty huge. It has literally like numbers of stubs. It has 2 different sections. This shit goes far back, as far as it goes.
Ya traje los puntos papeles, ahí yo tengo la casa, nada más que...
You got a old school 300ZX right there. Not too shabby. I saw an Eclipse over here. Ooh, I see a DA. Bow cover gone. Headlights still here. Bumper looking fresh, yo. I ain't gonna lie. I'm either thinking about getting one of these next, a DA, or getting the DC2, or obviously an RSX, right? So basically, I want another Integra type of thing. Here's a Prelude. I just don't know what. I don't know what yet. Y'all have to stay tuned to see what I get. But it won't be for a few more months. So tail lights are still here. Why is there? There's trucks over here. These guys really ran out of space to put trucks anywhere. Yeah, dude. I was on that side of the wall. You know how the newer gens or whatever. The guy wasn't letting me through to be able to come over here to this side because I had, like I said, the doorknob on me, and he said that I had to pay before I was able to. Ooh, look at this Corolla or Celica, my bad. Not too shabby. But yeah, the guy wasn't letting me through. He said I had to pay before I was able to leave that section to come to this section. But I was like, whatever, all right, like I told him I was gonna pay when I leave, and he's like, now you gotta pay now before you go into the section. It's a cool little prelude. But basically I did not. I was like, all right, you wanna be a dick, so can I. So what I did was, like, you know how I told you guys the halfway point, the door that be open? This is it. Look, I'm on the old school side now. This is the door. So he wasn't letting me through on this side because I had to pay for the item, which it was a line like y'all saw. So what I did was I slid it under. Now I have it on this side. Now we'll pay for it when I leave. Fuck. Douchebag motherfuckers. I apologize for my cussing, people, but come on, you expect for me to wait 30-40 minutes to pay for this, to be able to come on this side? I'd rather just come on this side, wait till the line goes down, and then go pay for it. I mean, doesn't that make more more of a sense, yo? This guy just really like, dude, it's too early for this guy to be an asshole. Why people gotta be assholes, yo? Come on, this is $10, right? It's all scratched the fuck up. It's scratched up. I'm gonna get 40% off, so this is gonna make it like $6. He's gonna hassle me out of $6? Come on, yo. I'm trying to see what okay. This is something, I guess. A bunch of NFL stickers. I mean, you don't know who to choose for. Hey. Hey. What am I in the American section? I think I am. Yeah, I don't see no more imports. It's all just like Fords. Huh. I mean, let me take a long look down there. No, it looks like it's just nothing but SUVs and trucks. So let's make our way back on up, see if we can find some Integras. We still got this left side. I'm sorry, guys. I'll see if I can find like a TSX around here or something, so I can show you guys. Basically I want to see a K motor, a K series motor. I would like to see one today. Well, actually I saw two in the RSX, but they don't count, yo. I want to see a different K. There was a Civic. Is that an SI? I doubt it. That's one thing about these Civics. The 8th gen 2 doors, you never see them SI, exactly. You'll never see these SI in the junkyard. These are 1K series you will never see. The K20 Z3. This one's burned up, but it's not even. It's the automatic one. It's not a K. It's not the K I want. Yeah. These you'll never see SIs. The 8th gen. I've seen RSX Types S and I can't find the SIs. That's sad. You would think the SIs would come across more than the Type S in the junkyard. But yeah, let's see what else we can find, people. You got a cool hatch right here, the EK hatch. Alright, I'm gonna pause it for a quick second, you guys. I'm gonna put this in my bag so I can be able to have my hand freely and grab stuff with it. Alright, you guys, I'm back. I put the stuff away. I have my hand free. I can open up hoods and doors or whatever, push people out the way. Every time I see a blue car, I gotta make sure it's not an EM1, yo. That GSR is real. Little secret tip for you guys. Like, whenever you guys see a wall like this and there's like grass, you'll find parts in there, yo. You might find stuff that you were actually looking for. You just gotta look through hidden spots and you'll find stuff that people were trying to hide. That's a little secret tip. was a EK hatch in front of me. Another one. This one's automatic. The other one was manual. I don't know. We're gonna end up finding a different K than an RSX, yo. Well, I'm just gonna stop walking around with the footage. If I see a vehicle, I'll just come to it. Yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. Just wondering. I see a DA right here. I know it wasn't even a DA. It was a Prelude. Huh? Fooled. All right, you guys. I'll come back if I see anything. It ain't really a car, but I thought it'd just be funny putting a plasma in the junkyard. Alright, I located an Integra. Doesn't look too shabby till you get here. Well, appears it was a stick shift. Oh, gone. Motor is gone. Oh. Well, at least you guys still got the tail light. Wait, what's up here? Come here. That's right. Nobody rides for free. What's this, a Decepticon? This is a Decepticon. Yeah, it is. I don't know. Do I really want to snatch that? Yes. Well, you guys, I only got about like 5-6 rows left, and then I'm just gonna pack it up and go home. Like I said, I didn't come for nothing big. I didn't come to do a heavy job or anything. I just came for like a quick one, last minute thing. My door handle broke, and I needed that, yo. I needed that. What is this? A Celica? Another Celica? Damn, they destroyed the block. Still got the bottom end, but transmission's gone. Yeah, no, this is gonna be quite a long video. You guys are gonna hate me. You guys are probably gonna be like, put some music. You know what she do? She do a giveaway. Give these away. Don't leave a comment, you'll get these. I was gonna pass by this, but stuff like this is always useful. Output plugs. We're coming down to the end, folks. It wasn't really much. Like, honestly, I would have rather gone to Anaheim, because that's where I want to go. There's an S2K and a bunch of good Integras, and I don't know what is over there, dude. Like, it has good options. But there is sadly no RSX over there, and the main thing I needed was the door handle. Damn, look at this old school Prelude. Damn, yo. I don't really like Preludes, but when it's a stick shift? What? Please tell me it's still in there. Let's go pop the hood on this, yo. Dude, this car's looking magnificent. I bet you there's got to be stuff wrong with the motor. Let's see if we can get that open. There's like it was a smoker's car. There's a bunch of lighters. I don't think the hood popped. Oh, it did. Ooh. Where's the stand? Where's the stand? Where's the stand? Where is it? I'm sorry, you guys. I'm not familiar with these. Oh, well, I'll just hold it with my hand. What is this? It's a B28. They took off the. What's it called? They must have taken off the H, yo. I don't think these come with a B20. Boo boo. Nonetheless, though, it looks quite nice, yo. Let's get a look at the exhaust system. Fucking spoiler though, wow. Not much. Stock. Yep, 40% off. Everybody's getting that. Get it. My Junkyard dogs. That's right. Roof. Alright then, folks. There's an Integra right there, but this look is just a shell. Yeah, this video is getting way too long. Is that the block? Could possibly be it. Like I said, I don't know if I want to get a DA Integra or this DC2 Integra. I thought I was looking at something here for a second. You know me, I'm a sucker for money. Anything worth money, I'm taking it. See, look. That's terrible. That's awful. This must have been a stick shift Integra because it's gone. Shifter box and everything gone. Well, folks, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna cut it here. Just walk out to the parking lot.